Coach Raymond here with Digital Entrepreneur. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing and how can it benefit you today in 2018? Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys today to answer the question, what is affiliate marketing? So you may be wondering why I'm talking about affiliate marketing. Basically, for anyone who's looking to start an online business, if you don't have a whole lot of capital or startup cash to start up an online business, but you've always wanted to, work from home or work anywhere with an internet connection, affiliate marketing is something that you can start with a very low or minimum budget. It's for anyone who wants to start an online business, but you're just not quite sure where to start from. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing? I'm going to go into Google and type in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. And as a comparison, I'll also bring you guys into Wikipedia, which defines affiliate marketing as a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. And in a nutshell, in plain English, guys, all that basically means is, say for instance, if you're marketing a company like for Amazon or Walmart, there's going to be an affiliate link down at the bottom of their web pages. So let's take, for example, Amazon.com. If you go into Amazon, and this is probably something that most people have not seen, yet it's been around for a long time. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see Become an Affiliate. And that's where most people sign up to be an affiliate of either Walmart or Amazon. Once you become an affiliate for Amazon or Walmart, you'll be able to basically start marketing their products and monetizing off of their links. So all you have to do is click here, join now. It's free to join. Same thing for Walmart. It's been around for years, just that most people are not aware of this. And so as an affiliate for these companies, basically that gives you access to market and promote their products. If you start promoting their products on sites such as YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, basically, once you start promoting their links on those social media platforms, if someone happens to click on one of your links that brings them to their website on Amazon or Walmart and happens to make a purchase for a product or service based off of your specific link, all that basically means is Walmart or Amazon, whatever company that you represent, they will pay you a certain percentage of a commission based off of each individual sale. Hope that clears things up just a little bit for you guys. Okay, so you may be basically thinking, how can this benefit me and how can I use affiliate marketing? So if you're kind of new to online businesses, I would highly encourage you to maybe take a look into affiliate marketing. It is something that you can probably get started with, probably next to nothing, almost free in certain cases, just kind of depending on how you set up your business. You can start this for next to nothing. So you may be wondering what types of businesses that I use or that I would recommend. And so I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek into a couple of my back office. And I'm not doing this to brag or boast in any way. I just want to show you guys what is possible and what I found and what I've used. And hopefully that will kind of help you guys out on your journey into either online businesses or affiliate marketing. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you a quick snapshot of my back office with one of the affiliate programs that I have just recently started marketing. And I've only been a part of this for about 2.5 weeks, guys, so keep that in mind. In the last 7 days alone, I've made a little bit over 1,000, 1036 specifically. Like I said, I've only been a part of this 2.5 weeks, so it's not even 30 days. So in the last 30 days combined, I've probably made around 3 sales, totaling 1054. but I'm showing you guys this because it's just a glimpse into what is possible with online affiliate marketing. Now, not everyone is going to have the same results. It will depend on your commitment to marketing and promoting that product and staying consistent. Okay guys, so here is a look into my other back office. There's a picture of me, and as you can see, I've made a total of 2 sales so far. Out of those 2 sales, which is not much that I've made, I've actually generated an income of payments received over $9,000. So it just gives you an idea of what is possible online with affiliate marketing. So as you guys can see, I've made some money through Legendary Marketer. I've only been in it a couple weeks, and so for the past 7 days, I've been able to make over $1,000 on 1036 specifically within the past 7 days. I didn't make anything yesterday or the day before, but within the past 7 days, I was able to pull in a couple sales. I believe it was 3 sales, totaling over $1,000. So yes, I do believe that this is going to be a great company to affiliate market for. They have great conversion rates. And one of the things that I absolutely love about Legendary Marketers is their ability to not just target a specific area, like it's not only for USA and Canada, it's actually worldwide. And I love the fact that it's actually done for you program, because 90% of this program actually is done for you. So they have marketing links and affiliate links all set up for you, and it's all easily trackable. So all you would have to do is basically tag any of your affiliate marketing links that they give you, and you could post it on social media sites or YouTube, whatever platform that you may choose. And then those tags actually help you to track where your affiliate links are coming from, where your marketing and where your sales are coming from. And because of that platform, I'm super excited. Like I said, I've only been a part of Legendary Marketer for a couple of weeks, and I'm super excited. I've started making more money with this, and the conversion rates are incredible. So I hope that you guys can see that this system actually works if you take a look at it. You can check out the link in the description below, in the comment section or the description. My second recommendation for you guys is a company that I also use, and it's called 8-Figure Dream Lifestyle, abbreviated as 8FDL. So I would also recommend that you guys check this out if you like the platform. Basically, like I've showed you in the screenshot, I've made 2 sales so far. I haven't made a whole lot of sales with it either so far, but those 2 sales are equaling up to over $9,000. So affiliate marketing does work, you guys. It's just finding the right platform, what fits for you and your style and your niche. Oh, and by the way, one of the really cool things that I really like about the systems that I'm using is once you get partnered with them, you are paired usually with a coach, and a lot of it has automated emails so that you don't actually have to reach out to them personally. There is automated email platforms, and there's a coach that does the calling for you. And so whether you are in insurance sales, you're a realtor, if you have your own kind of small business, what it all boils down to is marketing. And so the thing that I love about affiliate marketing, or especially with Legendary Marketer, is that it actually teaches you how to be successful online, and it teaches you how to market yourself. Because the biggest thing with almost any small business, or if you're self-employed, is leads. If finding leads is your biggest issue with your small business, then make sure that you find a platform that matches your personality, because ultimately it's going to be what you're going to be marketing, and it's going to be basically your income stream. I always believe that anything that is worth receiving is worth the wait. So guys, make sure that whatever you do decide to do online, if it is affiliate marketing, make sure that you find a reputable company and products that you actually enjoy marketing, because in the end it's all about what you enjoy. Because if you don't enjoy what you're doing, you're not going to be successful at it. Now guys, I'm no guru and I'm no specialist in online marketing or affiliate marketing, but what I did is I found systems that I actually care a lot about or I can relate to easily and that I truly believe in. And with the two systems that I have, it's a done-for-you type of platform, and so that the only thing that I really have to focus on is driving leads, but it is very possible for you guys to make a good income if you do the things that you are taught within the system and use their platform and their affiliate links to market properly. You guys can be successful and make a killing in 2018. Make sure you find something that you love. Make sure you find something that you enjoy marketing. So if you are a person that is willing to take a little bit of risk and actually take action, then affiliate marketing is maybe for you. If you did decide that affiliate marketing was for you, one of the things that you could use to drive traffic is social media platforms such as YouTube. You can use Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you can link it all together so that it's a constant stream back and forth and it rotates back and forth. Everything rotates and it goes from one link to another so that you're actually linking back and forth to each and every page and platform of social media out there. And by doing so, you're going to be able to drive the most amount of traffic. And you have to realize that people join something or they become a part of something because they typically like you, your personality. So be yourself, when you're trying to market, but make sure it's very important to be yourself because ultimately people follow people. They don't follow systems, ideas, companies. They follow you because they like you, know you, and they're starting to get to know and trust you. But just make sure that you stick with it. Affiliate program and affiliate marketing does work, but make sure you stick with it. I would say give it 60 to 90 days and make sure you are hardcore, pedal to the metal. Treat it like a business. Don't treat it as if it were a hobby. If you were looking at this from the standpoint of like a job, if you didn't show up for work one day, what's going to happen is your boss is going to fire you, right? So be your own boss. If you can be your own boss and hold yourself accountable, you'll be very successful if you just stick with it. And don't expect results overnight. So, what I mean by that is too many times a lot of people, they expect results instantaneously. They want overnight gratification. They want to join in something or they want to be a part of something, online business or affiliate marketing, whatever it is. They want instant gratification. They are in it for a day, a week, 2 weeks, and they don't see results and they're like, oh, this is a huge scam, this doesn't work. The thing is, guys, make sure that you stick with it because if you are gonna quit so quickly in something such as affiliate marketing or online marketing and think that everything is a scam, here's what's gonna happen. Your next company or the next company that you find that can make you lots of money, here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna join them and then you're going to do the same thing. The cycle's just gonna repeat itself over and over. You're going to give it a day, a week, and then end up quitting the same way that you did the first business. So make sure whatever program that you did decide on, make sure that you stick with it because I can guarantee you guys that there is tons of money out there to be made with online businesses and affiliate marketing. So choose your niche wisely so that you can actually enjoy what you're marketing and make sure that you don't quit, guys. Just make sure to never give up and to keep going because ultimately your mindset is going to determine your success or failure. A lot of times, success is on the other side of failure. So don't be afraid to fail, guys. In fact, I encourage you. Fail forward, fail often, fail faster. So guys, if you like what you've seen so far today in this video, make sure that you drop a big thumbs up and make sure that you hit subscribe in the bottom right hand side of this screen. And make sure that you share this video, comment below if you like my video. If you want more content like this, let me know. Put it in the comment section what you'd like to see in the next video. I'm also going to be creating a follow-up series in pertaining to affiliate marketing to show you in detail about how it works. Yeah, and so if you you like this video, just make sure that you follow along for my next video, guys. Please subscribe, comment, and share. See you in the next video, guys.